What happens when the source schema changes? A pipeline can work perfectly for months. Then one morning, a source team adds one column, or renames one field, or changes a number into text, and suddenly downstream jobs fail. Or worse, they keep running and quietly produce the wrong data. This is schema evolution. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to BricksNotes. I'm Envika. Today, we're going to understand what happens when a source schema changes, why it can break data pipelines, and how data engineers should design for it. Let us start with a simple example. Imagine an orders table with these fields: order ID, customer ID, amount, order date. Your pipeline expects exactly those fields. Then the source team adds a new column called discount amount. That change may be harmless. Your pipeline may simply ignore the new field. But now imagine they rename amount to total amount. Your transformation still looks for amount. The pipeline may fail immediately. That is actually the easier problem. At least you know something broke. The more dangerous situation is when the pipeline continues running. Imagine amount was previously a number. Now the source starts sending values as text. Most rows still look normal, but one record contains not available. A transformation may fail, or the engine may convert the value to null. Now revenue totals are incomplete. The pipeline is green, the dashboard is wrong. This is why schema changes are not only technical changes, they can become data quality problems. There are several common types of schema change. The first is adding a column. This is usually one of the safest changes, but downstream systems still need to know whether the new field should be used. The second is removing a column. If pipelines, dashboards, or agents depend on that field, something will break. The third is renaming a column. To a human, this may look like a small cleanup. To a data pipeline, it can look like a completely different field. The fourth is changing a data type. A customer ID that changes from integer to string can affect joins. A timestamp that changes format can affect incremental processing. A decimal value that becomes text can affect calculations. And the fifth is changing meaning, without changing the schema. This is the most dangerous one. Imagine a field called status. Yesterday, active meant a customer purchased within 90 days. Today, the business changes active to 30 days. The column name is the same. The data type is the same. No pipeline fails. But the meaning changed. This connects directly with our recent videos on grain, null values, and data contracts. A schema tells you the technical structure. A data contract tells you what must remain true. That contract may define required columns, data types, freshness, quality rules, business meaning, and what should happen when something changes. So how should we handle schema evolution? First, never assume that source schemas will stay unchanged forever. They will change. Design with that expectation. Second, classify changes. Some changes are backward compatible. Adding an optional column may be safe. Other changes are breaking. Removing a required field or changing a key can affect many downstream systems. Third, validate schemas during ingestion. Compare the incoming structure with what your pipeline expects. If an important field disappears or changes type, detect it before the data reaches trusted tables. Fourth, separate raw ingestion from business transformation. A bronze layer can preserve the source data as it arrived. Then silver and gold layers can apply controlled schemas and business rules. This makes it easier to investigate when the source changes. Fifth, monitor schema changes. Do not wait for a dashboard owner to tell you something looks wrong. Track new columns, missing columns, type changes, and unexpected structures. And finally, communicate breaking changes. A schema belongs to more than one pipeline. It may feed dashboards, machine learning models, APIs, and AI agents. One small source change can travel much further than the source team expects. And in the agentic era, this becomes even more important. An AI agent may rely on a field to make a recommendation or trigger an action. If the meaning or structure changes silently, the agent may continue operating with outdated assumptions. So here's the key lesson. Schema evolution is normal. Uncontrolled schema evolution is dangerous. The goal is not to stop change. The goal is to make change visible, testable, and safe. Know which fields are required. Know which changes are compatible. Validate before publishing. Monitor continuously, and protect the business meaning behind the schema. Because sometimes a pipeline does not break when the source changes. Sometimes it keeps running, and that can be the bigger problem. Thank you for watching BricksNotes.